Hello everyone. As you can see by the title of this video, Eric has passed away. Eric passed away peacefully on Tuesday night at around 8:15, surrounded by his family. At this time, we would like to have thoughts and prayers for Eric's family, for Len, Dorothy, Ian his brother, and Mary his wife. I would also like to thank for all the thoughts and prayers that were extended out this past week for Eric. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we are going to do jumbo shells with spinach and cheese. And it is a recipe that's right on the back of these jumbo shells. We got this one pack of jumbo shells. It says, so the recipe is about 18 shells. Tablespoon of olive oil, because this is going to be for the pan. 1 onion finely chopped. Tablespoon of dill, but we are not using dill. Kelly doesn't like fresh dill. 3/4 pound of spinach, or about a package which is 300 grams. This one was just a little bit more, 312 grams. I've already chopped it up. Salt and pepper, that's just for taste. A pound of extra smooth ricotta cheese. 1/3 cup of Parmesan. I couldn't get the already shredded, so I got the hard Parmigiano. I got that and I just grated it up. 1 egg beaten, and 1 jar of pasta sauce. We make our own pasta sauce, and Kelly actually prepared that for me earlier today. So we're going to leave you right here, and we're going to bring you over the stove and just show you cooking up the onions and the spinach. We'll be right back. Alright, I'm ready to do the onion. Oh, of course. I don't know why he's barking. He hears a little bit of a noise and away he goes. So we're going to cook the onion. It's got to heat up a little bit, but we're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once this starts going, while I'm doing that, I am going to throw my shells in. Obviously I'm not going to dump because I don't know how many in here. We got to do 18. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Last one. 17, 18. I'm just going to do a few extra just in case. Okay. Those are started. The onion's just starting to cook. Oh yeah. Okay. That's been about 4 minutes. Now we're going to add in our spinach. Okay. You can see how the spinach is cooked down. I'm going to finish that up And then we're going to bring you back over to the counter. All right, it's time to put everything together. We are going to start with our 1 pounder ricotta cheese. And our egg that's beaten. Our onions and spinach. And our Parmesan cheese, or Parmigiano. Alright, and we are just going to stir that all up. Okay, that is all stirred up. We're just going to put that over to the side. And we have our spaghetti sauce. And we're just going to cover the bottom of the pan. Okay, just grabbing the shells. And we are going to stuff the shells. Is it a little messy? Yep. That's okay. We can clean up after. I think I'm only going to get one more shell in this pan. Oh, it's a 9 by 13 pan. Forgot to mention that. And oven goes on to 350. We're going to bake these in the oven for, I think it's 25 to 30 minutes. I will double check as soon as I'm done stuffing. We pretty well use most of the filling. Just let me rinse my hands off. And it goes in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Although I'm not finished. Now we gotta take some of this yummy spaghetti sauce and drizzle it over top. Just like that. Okay. We're going to throw these in the oven, 25 to 30 minutes. When it's ready to taste them, we'll be back. All right, we are ready to taste. Oh, does that look good? It smells good. Oh, it smells good.
Now this is supposed to be a vegetarian dish.
Well,
but when I made the pasta or the sauce,
we put meat in our spaghetti sauce, so. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. So that's it, the jumbo shell with spinach and cheese. It's actually delicious. It's not overpowering. Really, really good. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for joining us this week. As I always end it, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I know Kelly will tell me.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care. See you next week. Bye now.